What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, do everything necessary to get this thing to live long, thrive, and survive. Let's go ahead and take a look at XRP here, team. Remember that just yesterday we were talking about price action from right back in this level right here, okay, team? We were talking about price action potentially breaking out and creating new highs, right? Lots of people here not exactly believing what we were talking about regarding the technicals, right? But this is currently what happened, right, guys? From the moment that we spoke of yesterday, you can see here that we banged out the first target, right? We came up to the top side, got the next target, and we also got the consolidation level that we were talking about between these two zones as we speak, okay, you guys? So now, presently speaking, guys, there is something very, very powerful happening right now. There is a massive breakout happening as we speak, okay, guys? This is a buy formation breakout, okay, guys? This is something that I've actually coined myself. This is something that is mentioned inside of the ARCa Bulls trading only, okay, guys? So this is it's called a bullish buy formation breakout, and the reason why we can call it that is because it's comprised of two different formations, right? So take a look at this. This is your inverse head and shoulders formation right here. Silly little drawing lines right here, and silly little crayon lines, right? And also your bull flag breakout, right? So both of these formations would actually give you two different price targets, right? So identifying the identifying the neckline from your inverted head and shoulders, which would be something like that there, right? We can get this, we can get the price objective measured just like this here, right? So that would give you a topside target of about $2.49, so $249.68 on that. So let's go ahead and just kind of put that target right about here, just like that, right? And also the bull flag is also, that can also give you this, measured move. So let's go ahead and measure it from the top side of that bull flag to the very bottom side as well, and get that top side target. Okay, team. So this is telling us that we would be retesting this high of about 247.83, and this is presently what's happening right now. Okay, team. So this is why I'm coming on to record the video right now, just to let you know that this is happening right now, and this is likely to continue on to the upside. Remember that we were speaking of just validating the floor. Literally yesterday's video, guys. I'm not even telling you in any other way. Literally yesterday's video. It is titled the potential floor is in, right, guys? So I speak of these things in this manner, team, because I really mean it to be that, okay, guys? I promise I don't mean anything weird, right? I just want you guys to understand that this is literally what we're talking about, right, guys? So here is it's a little difficult for us to kind of see the video from just yesterday, right? But you can go ahead and see right over here, right, team? Sorry about that. That would be right here. Take a look at that video, right? So this is the algo flashes by a must watch, and then sorry about that. We have this. There we go. So potential floor is in was the video that we recorded, right, guys? So heads up on those videos. We are looking at higher probability moves here, right, team? So let's go ahead and just kind of come back in here to the charts and explain what's happening here, okay, team? So yes, we have a technical breakout. We have this area here that's about to get tested again, and a formation here, a larger one, telling us that we're about to break out officially from this range entirely, right, guys? So as soon as we are over the targets of about literally where we are right now, see this wick over here? That's where price action is sitting at 247.23 as we speak. As soon as we are above this level and this level here, guys, giving a closure here of about an hourly time frame, ideally a 4-hour time frame, XRP is set to make a pretty nice move to the upside, guys. One of which can start testing the 250 zone, followed by a continuation onto the upside, guys. I think that it could honestly start reaching your 257 to 260s again, all the way to the 264. Honestly speaking, it's around 265. Okay, you guys. So yeah, just heads up on price action on this team, as it is very likely going to start helping us out right now with that upside. Okay, you guys. So let's now speak on some of the catalysts that can be leading, guys, because crypto is about to have some massive weeks ahead. Okay, you guys. So let's go ahead and just dive in to this right over here. So please take a look at this, team. This is Swan is actually posting here, breaking MicroStrategies has been added to the NASDAQ 100. Guys, this is a huge deal because MicroStrategies, that's Michael Saylor right there, he was co-founder of MSTR MicroStrategies. So they are the largest Bitcoin holders in the world, right? I think they're above 400,000 Bitcoins under their possession, right? So just know that they are now promoted into the NASDAQ 100 from the Russell, okay, you guys? So they were already 17% the way to the Russell, and now they're being added to the NASDAQ 100, guys. This is one huge deal, and this was announced post-market Friday, today, okay, you guys? For me here, I'm still on Friday, right? This would be Friday, December, Friday the 13th. So happy Friday the 13th to you all, right? But anyway, next thing to take a look at, guys, take a look at this. So this is actually shown to me by my analyst, Sebastian. Speaking of breaking, I'm sorry, this one right over here. This was we have an announcement, guys, that there is another Bitcoin reserve being said to be established in Texas. Okay, that's one of them that we should know of. And also this, Riot Platforms buys 510 million Bitcoin per Reuters, right? So this is absolutely huge, guys. We already know that Mara, M-A-R-A, is already buying that Bitcoin as well, team. We're knowing here that institutionally this is being picked up. So this is going to lead even further for the bias towards an upside on these on the crypto coins, guys. Take a look at this. Just in 47% of hedge funds now invest in digital assets like Bitcoin and crypto, up from 21% in 2021. Guys, this is massive. These are big numbers, and this is likely to now, including right now with the promotion of MicroStrategies going into the NASDAQ 100, guys. This is going to be a really interesting set of weeks coming in for crypto here, guys. I believe this is setting the floor here for the continuation of this Santa Claus rally that we're experiencing right now, guys. So very good deal in there, and congratulations to all of you that did actually position yourselves before that upside started happening, guys, because in my personal Discord, for the private Discord for the trading team, I did mention to everyone to pick up position on the MSTR asset, right, as it looks like it was about to start breaking out, right, you guys? So you can actually take a look at that Discord right over here, right? Let's go ahead and just kind of switch over the screen so you can take a look at what happened, right? So look at this. This is at everyone. If MSTR breaks above this 405.33 level, 416 is on deck. Heads up, team. Breakout is imminent, right? So we signaled the potential of continuation on MSTR, and guys, about 20 minutes later, just look at what happened with MSTR, right? Explodes towards the 412 and consolidates, guys. This is just, and right now, guys, I believe that it's sitting above 412 now. Okay, guys, so this is 100% a very interesting time coming in for crypto and everything alike. Okay, guys, so yeah, very good stuff here indeed, team. So just another thing that we should kind of be aware of here in the charts is that we could be experiencing an even further move by taking into consideration here a larger term time frame, right? So let's just go ahead and do that and just kind of highlight here the fact that we have this inverse head and shoulders as well, right? And we are at that critical resistance. I'm telling you, above that 248, 250, guys. This above this 248 or 250, guys, there's gonna we have the sky's the freaking limit there, guys. 264 could be in line here, all right, and it's looking like it could very well do that. Let's go ahead and take a look at volatility versus momentum. 4-hour time frame, you guys, this is 100% something that I look out for, right? I look for critical contraction on volatility, want that breakout to happen here from that volatility signal, right? So this is linear volatility, this is the dispersion of returns, right? And also take a look at this, right? Stochastic momentum, think of it as your steering wheel, right? So your linear volatility would work as your gas pedal, right? Your throttle, you want to make sure to gas it and your car goes faster, right? So which direction are you going faster in though, right? So it would be your stochastic momentum telling you the bias, right? So this would be at an upside posturing, right? With expansion starting to happen. You can see the little peekaboo right above that moving average. So crossing over, that would be the direction that we're going in, right? Just like we explained yesterday, guys, at $2.30, we explained that 248 was likely to come in, and here we go, right? We are now experiencing this together on this video as as we speak, guys. So very good stuff. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 6-hour time frame. But before I do so, guys, I need to remind you that the beginners charting and trading mentorship is going to start here in about 2 weeks. And I guys, those seats are going to go away. They're getting taken up. Every single time I say this, there's always a new member. Okay, you guys are a new master student. So I need you guys to get on that. Make sure to reach out to me, right, at ArcMastersCourse@gmail.com before it's too late, right, guys? I'm going to write it right down here for you. I need you to know this, okay? So ArcMastersCourse, right, at Gmail. Make sure to get in touch with me as soon as possible, guys, because we'll go ahead and give you the just ask for the syllabus and the disclaimer, and I'll go ahead and give you everything pertinent to that, okay, team? So ArcMastersCourse@gmail. We're going to be starting here literally in about 2 weeks, so make sure before the enrollment closes, okay, you guys? You are about to be part of a total of around 400 master students, guys. This is a growing legacy here, so let's go ahead and make sure to get that going, team. Very good stuff indeed, team. So now let's look at the 6-hour time frame. We're getting a little bit of a volatility push from that immediate short term as well. 2 hours to close that 6-hour time frame, looking good. We have an upside bias on stochastic momentum. 8-hour time frame starting to get a little bit of that love as well, right? Starting to get some curvature here, and we're also facing towards the upside at the gravitational point of stochastic momentum, looking very good for that upside continuation, guys. I love it. I love it. I love it. 12-hour time frame is it's kind of consolidating here, guys, but that's because we were consolidating before on this 12-hour bar, right? So now as soon as we close this 12-hour bar, it's going to be green. It's probably going to be upside of the 247 or 248, likely going to show an upside bias here and further expansion. Guys, we are trickling in towards those massive upsides that we're looking at on the bi-weekly time frame like this, guys. This is just 100% enormously explosive, right? So we are looking at this huge break of volatility at the 15% of critical contraction and an upside bias on this in the gravitational zone like you have never seen before. So make sure, guys, to be careful when you are risking here, and everything will be cool. Okay, you guys, so remember to reach out to me at ArcMastersCourse@gmail.com and everything will be good. Okay, you guys, I think this is a pretty good place to leave off the video, and everything will be cool. All right, guys, please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Ever. I need you to do your own due diligence, and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well, a very, very good rest of your night and or day, and I promise I will catch you at the bell on Monday. Adios, team.